Hello class, I'm Marcus Olds, and today we're going to be talking about economic profit versus accounting profits and what the differences are and what goes into calculating each one of those types of profits. So we're going to start with accounting profits. Accounting profits are calculated by calculating the overall total cost and the overall total revenue. And once you have calculated both of those, you're able to figure out how much profit you've gained or how much you've lost after producing and selling those products. Accounting profit is also referred to as net income or the bottom line by a lot of companies. Now, when calculating the overall cost, accounting costs are going to include things such as labor costs, wages, the inventory and resources needed to produce, the cost of raw materials, transportation, sales and marketing, and the production costs, along with the overhead. Now, that's going to equal your bottom line or your overall net income that your accountant gives to you or gives your shareholders. Economic profit, however, includes implicit costs on top of the accounting costs. So it's going to be including things such as company-owned buildings, plants and equipment, self-employment resources. However, it's also going to include things such as the overall opportunity cost. So it's going to look at if a company is going to produce product A as opposed to product B, then the gains that you could have made from project B or product B are also going to be included in the loss when you're talking about economic profits. So to sum it all up, economic profit is always going to be less profit than your accounting profits. And that's going to be because you're also calculating in how much you could have made as a company by producing another project or going another direction or another service as a company versus what you actually did do. And that's going to help you as a company determine where your time is best spent. It's always good to know if you're making a profit or not, but it's better to know if you could be making a larger profit by doing something else. And that's where economic profit comes into play, because you're able to say, how much would we have made if we had gone with project B instead of project A? Thank you for your time, and I hope to hear from you. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next week.